Drew with Action Millionaire here. Thanks for joining me on my channel. Kate Brown, the governor of Oregon, is shutting us down again. As of Wednesday, she is going to be shutting down all businesses that are not necessary. She's going to be putting in place a stay-at-home order for all people that do not need to be at work. So that's everybody from people in the offices, people working at restaurants, gyms, hair salons, and all these places that people use these businesses to make a living and to survive in this economic struggle. And as that's going to happen, a lot of employees are going to be laid off. A lot of people are going to lose their jobs, or they'll be laid off and not return to their jobs because some of these companies aren't going to be able to survive too many more of these shutdowns. I know COVID-19 is a problem, and I'm not going to sit here and say it's not. But at the same time, our economy is suffering. We are suffering because we cannot make ends meet here as American families. And I want to share today what I have found. And this may be the best time to start an online business because, as we can see, this isn't getting any better. I know that Oregon is shutting down, but I also know that other states are shutting down on the West Coast. And it may be, depending on who becomes the president, they might shut down everything if Biden is president, and we'll see, and that is yet to be seen. But today I want to talk about starting an online business. Today is a day that you need to start an online business and start your own work from home business, because the more and more we are dependent on the government, the more and more we are going to be struggling financially, struggling in our economy, struggling to make ends meet. So what I have done is I've started my own online business. I still have a job, thank God. But at the same time, I'm starting an online business because it's a way that I want to have security for my family, for me and my family, in going through these tough times that we're about to face and that we are facing as of 6 months ago, 8 months ago. Whenever this coronavirus thing started, our economy has taken a major dive. So if you want to start an online business and you are serious about this, you want to break away from the 9-to-5, break away from what the government's telling you to do, and become independent and become self-sufficient in making your own life and making your own money, then you need to click the link below in my description and find that financial freedom. You will also get a free book called The Millionaire Secrets, and that's by my friend Jeff, and you will get it absolutely free, no strings attached. But if you click that link, you'll be able to get that free downloaded book, and you'll also be on a path to learning how to become a successful entrepreneur in this dying economy and create your own successful online business from home. So click the link below and start on your journey today. See you on the next one. If you want to take action in your life today, please click the link below in the description. Remember to like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for future videos.